In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an item to your cart and include assembly service. To get started, choose the item you want to buy and add it to your cart as you normally would. This is the first part of the process, and it's important to make sure you've selected the correct product, quantity, and any options you need before moving on. Taking a quick moment to review those details can help avoid changes later during checkout. Once the item is in your cart, look for the option called Add Assembly Service. This is usually shown near the product details or within the cart area, so keep an eye out as you review what you've added. The goal here is to attach professional assembly to the item before you complete your purchase. When you find the assembly option, select it so you can view the available service details and pricing. After choosing the option, you should be able to see the price associated with the assembly service. This is helpful because it lets you understand exactly what will be added to your order total before you continue. Be sure to review the service carefully so you know it matches what you need for your item. After that, continue to check out and book a time slot for the assembly. This part allows you to choose when the service will take place based on the available scheduling options. Pick a time that works best for you and make sure it fits your availability so the appointment goes smoothly. If there are multiple time slots, choose the one that gives you enough flexibility in case delivery timing is a factor. Once your order is complete and the appointment is scheduled, a professional will handle the assembly for you. That means you won't need to worry about putting the item together yourself. This can save time, reduce frustration, and help ensure the product is assembled properly according to the intended setup. Finally, the work comes with a guarantee, which gives you added peace of mind. Knowing the assembly is guaranteed can make the service feel more dependable and worthwhile, especially for larger or more complex items. And that's it. You've successfully added an item to your cart, included assembly service, selected the price option, booked a time slot at checkout, and arranged for guaranteed professional assembly.